So I just wanted to do a demo of my setup for the times that you just don't have time to bring the iPad mini. You can still use your iPhone. So I like to bring it in the car and first connect it. Make sure the Bluetooth is on before you turn on the system. So then the Sony head unit should connect. It should take a couple seconds. There you go. Let me just bring up my music on the iPhone. Start playing it.
Please don't pull up if you don't want to fall. From the jump. Still the same old nigga.
So I can either control it from the iPhone. Usually I don't do that though. I just turn it off, put it on the floor here so I can charge. And then I could just control from the steering wheel. Volume, skip the track. So pretty straightforward.
Come on, let's get it. Yeah, nigga, my album coming.
And then for those that asked, I can hit display down here on the bottom right corner and change what I see. Title, artist, album, elapsed time, current time. So it works out pretty well for those times when you just want to hear the music and not necessarily use the map, although I can still turn the screen on and use the old map as well. So there you go. Still very useful without the iPad.